Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at nouns and quantifiers. Let's start with nouns. We have common nouns and abstract nouns in English. Common nouns refer to people, places, or things. For example, child, city, or a house. Abstract nouns refer to ideas and feelings, freedom, love, time, and stress. These are not material. We also have count nouns and non-count nouns. Now, count nouns are nouns you can count separately. For example, I have a dog. I have one dog. We have two cars. Non-count nouns are nouns you cannot count separately. For example, I didn't have enough money. I have a lot of stress at work. I cannot count stress. Okay? I can count problems, so I can say I have two problems, but I cannot say I have two stresses. But some nouns have both count and a non-count meaning. Let's look at this example. We had a good time at the party. Time here is an experience, so it's countable. But I don't have any time today. It's availability here, so it's non-countable. Let's move on to quantifiers. Quantifiers are words that come before nouns in order to indicate the amount of how much of a non-count noun is being stated, or the number or how many of a count noun is being stated. Remember that amount and how much refer to non-count nouns, while number and how many refer to count nouns. Okay, because I can count. Let's look at them specifically. Use quantifiers some, enough, a lot of, and any with both count nouns and non-count nouns. Example, there are a lot of flowers here. He is in a lot of trouble. Flowers is countable, trouble is uncountable, but I can use a lot of with both of them. Any is used in questions and negative sentences. Look at the examples. Do you have any money? I don't have any change. Use quantifiers a few, several, and many with plural count nouns in affirmative sentences. Look at the example. There are several options to choose from. Options here is countable, so I use several. Use many in questions and negative sentences. How many problems do you have? I don't have many problems. In questions and negative sentences. Let's look at non-countable. Use quantifiers a little, a great deal of, and much with non-count nouns in affirmative sentences. You have a great deal of luck. Luck cannot be counted, so I need to use a great deal of. Use much in questions and negative sentences. Similar to many for countable. Look at the example. How much effort did you put in this project? I didn't put in much effort. So let's practice. As I read the sentences, try to fill in the blanks in your mind. There wasn't traffic this morning. Unfortunately, she doesn't have very friends. I bought some milk, some apples, and bananas. There is water on the floor because of the storm last night. Let's look at the answer. There wasn't much traffic this morning. Traffic is uncountable. Unfortunately, she doesn't have very many friends. Many is here for the friends, which is countable, and it is a negative statement. I bought some milk, some apples, and few or many bananas. Bananas is a countable noun. There is a little or a great deal of water on the floor because of the storm last night. Thank you.